Yo, what's up guys? Bad Music Production here from Producer Buzz. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's cool. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your vocals from sounding like this. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams. Yeah, trying to work on my life and do is what is best for me. Your life is yours, so I live it with no jealousy. You talking negative, it drains all the energy. And I don't do fake smiles, see, I don't do no enemies. And that's the reason why I teach a lot. See, it's a peaceful mind sharing knowledge that I got, yeah. Producer Buzz. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it to sound like this. Check this out. Just by using two plugins. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams. Yeah, trying to work on my life and do is what is best for me. Your life is yours, so I live it with no jealousy. You talking negative, it drains all the energy. And I don't do fake smiles, see, I don't do no enemies. And that's, you can hear the difference, and we can really control that reverb there. Guys, how you all been? I hope everyone's been cool. I'm going to be showing you this tutorial using Vocal Finalizer. And actually what Vocal Finalizer has, as you guys can see here on the screen, it has all of the effects in here. So we've got the composer, we've got the EQ, we got the doubler, the vocal doubler, and we got the reverb. Now we can use the de-esser on here, but actually I use the normal de-esser, so there'll be link in my description. Before I run through the settings, guys, I just want to say thank you for all your lovely suggestions last week on what you guys want to see here on the on the stream. Again, you guys always smashing the comments, so keep dropping them below. I will show you guys, you know, I will take your comments into considerations, so keep dropping below on what you guys want to see here next week, and I'm going to drop and do the best I can. Apart from that, if you just tuned in, make sure you subscribe, hit the like. Got YouTube tutorials, vocal presets, we got everything coming all the time, every week. So I know I've said that many times, but always get like lost in it, you know what I mean? So always get too busy, but I will do my best to upload every week. So yeah, apart from that, guys, if you just tuned in, let's go straight into this. So yeah, so here on the vocals, what we used is we used Soundgoodizer to actually record. So as you guys can see, once we disable this Soundgoodizer, it doesn't sound the same, and this is because we are using a preset. So what you guys gonna do is you got three presets. You're gonna load up Soundgoodizer, and you're gonna load up A, and you're gonna just turn it on 25%, not 50 as we usually do, or 75. Just gonna turn it 25. Give us that gentle kind of vocals. Really gives us that nice uplift. Now this is gonna be probably the most easiest, but yet so effective vocals on here, guys. Check this out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna record using these settings. So we're gonna click on record, set this to red, and make sure the Soundgoodizer is on. And we're just gonna click anywhere here like that, and we're just gonna record the vocals. So let's do a quick test. Yeah. Yeah, this is a quick test vocal preset. Yeah, Vocal Finalizer. Okay, so you guys can see I just wrapped that as a test here. Now at the top here, we're gonna put this into track 11. So we're gonna double click in there and drag this to track 11. Now this is what you guys gonna do with your main wrap. So that's what we done at the top. So basically, this is what it sounds like now. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah, this is a quick test vocal preset. Now, as we can see, on this 11, the reverb might be a little bit too loud. So we can turn down the reverb from 60 to about 64. Yeah. Yeah, this is a quick test vocal preset. Yeah, Vocal Finalizer. Yeah. Perfect. Really nice reverb there, giving us that studio kind of quality. So what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what we do. So you guys are gonna record your vocals, put them in there, select channel 11 like I have, and that's what we've done here at the top with the main vocals. Yo. And I'm gonna delete both of these. and put them in again so you guys can actually see me putting it in. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna click on more plugins, and I'm gonna put in something called the modern de-esser. Now you guys will see this in more description. Make sure you go and grab it. It's free to download from Producer Buzz. There'll be a link in more description, and it's something you need to get. And when I say that, I mean you need to get it. It's free, and it's definitely a de-esser that you're gonna de-ease your vocals like pow, pam, poo. I don't know. Anyway, can I get a like? I'm trying to keep you guys entertained and exorcism. This ain't no ghost shit, but what? I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, entertained, should I say? Exercised, entertained. My grammar, I need to work on it, honestly. So what we got the modern de-esser here, and we're just gonna click on a drop down presets and select vocals. Boom, just like that. And all we're gonna do now, if you guys look at the top, the hint panel, if we just click in here and zoom out, and we zoom out to 20, that's the golden ratio here on the threshold, 20, and just leave that as it is. If you listen to the vocals now, this is what it will sound like. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams, yeah, trying to work on my life and do what is best. As you can see, but it's still missing reverb, it's missing compression, it's missing a lot. So now we're gonna go and put in this vocal finalizer. Now guys, no, sorry, cut out. Now guys, you can get the vocal finalizer in more description. There's a link. It is a paid plugin, but it's well worth it because you only use one. Obviously you're only using one plugin to do everything, and it's very professional. It's got the preset in there as well. So again, you can either load up the EQs like I usually do if you watch my other tutorials, or you can use this vocal finalizer. Now I'm using this, I have used it a lot. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. That's why I'm doing this tutorial. So what you're gonna click in here is click on dry and click search. And there's two dry, next to you dry or in your face dry. So we're gonna select in your face dry. Just double click on it and close it. And this is loaded up in your face dry vocal preset. Check this out. If you press play now. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams, yeah, trying to work on my life. How good is that? Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams, yeah, trying to work on my life and do what is best for me. I mean, from this. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams. It just sounds so clear and professional. We're gonna turn the volume down a bit, so we're gonna take it to about 80% to start off with. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams, yeah, trying to work on my life and do what is best for me. 84. Guys, how good is this? Yo, yeah, I paint a picture. So all we're gonna do is tweak a few things on here. So on the brightness, as you guys can see, 12.3, we're going to click in there and move it to 12.0, the brightness. Now the stereo, if you look at the hint panel, it's around 177. You're going to just click in there and move it to 181. 181 is what you want, the stereo width. 181, just expand it a little bit more, okay? And on the side here, on the wetness, is minus 64. You guys just move it down a bit to minus, let's say, no, that's what we had it on, didn't we? Minus 64, 65. So yeah, perfect, just like that. Now the more you move it up, the more reverb you're gonna get. Check this out. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was... So 65 is 64, 65 is perfect. Again, if you want less reverb, just take it down to about 70 to get more clearer kind of sound. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. But it's lacking reverb, so move it up to about 64.9. Yo, yeah. See that? Yo, yeah. Very nice. And that's it. Obviously, you got the vocal doubler here at the top. You got type 1, type 2, or type 3. Type 2 is perfect for the rap. Yo, yeah, I paint a picture trying to paint a perfect scene. See, my mind was playing games and I could see it in my dreams, yeah, trying to work on my life. And that's it, guys. That's all there is, using the vocal finalizer. So guys, if you enjoyed this, make sure you go below and get the vocal finalizer. I'm not sure how much it cost. I think it cost me a couple of dollars. Not expensive, but it's definitely cool. I will be running more tutorials on this and showing you all the other presets that come with it. There's loads of different presets, if I can show you on here. Loads of different cool presets, and it's definitely something that I'm going to be showing you guys in the future on how to use. But if you guys have just started watching, make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe, and drop in more comments on what you guys want to see next week. Apart from that, hit the subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Join producerbuzz.com. Peace. Madness. Peace out.